Hi guys, welcome to another video. This video is actually gonna be a quick one, and I kind of expected it, but I really didn't expect it, if that makes sense. This is not a real unboxing video, but it's kind of like an unboxing, but really not. This is a replacement item. Whoa. I just noticed guys, that there was something wrong with there's something wrong with me. There is something wrong with my Palm Springs mini backpack. I will probably insert a picture over here if you would notice, or I'll probably insert it over here somewhere. But the stitching on the back was coming loose. It seems like it was, I don't know if you guys had this problem before, but I don't know what made me check. I think it's because my friend just had a problem with her bag, so it got me checking my bag, and I noticed that there was like before I was just looking for like the zipper part, but I did a full check of inspection of my bag, and I noticed that the stitching on top was coming loose compared to the other one. It was a lot bigger. I'll show the picture somewhere. And so I did bring it to Louis Vuitton today. I went back to South Coast. The lady recognized me. It was pretty funny in a way, but anyway, so I did get a replacement because they said that it's either gonna get shipped out and it's gonna be there for a while, or they're gonna give me a replacement. Unfortunately, they don't have the old version, so I had to get the new version of this bag. And I think I did verbalize how I feel about the bag. I'm not completely against it. It's just that I prefer, if I were to choose, I prefer the other one, but I really wanted to get the bag already. And that's one thing with me, is I'm a little impatient. So here is the replacement item, and here's the dust bag, and here is the item. And as you can tell, this is the new version, and the zipper is actually outside. This material here is cut off shorter, just so that it's gonna have an exposed zipper compared to the other one. The lady that actually gave this, or when she showed me the other bag, because I think they had three bags left of the mini backpack, so she brought me the first one, which I really did not like. As soon as I got it, I thought it was fake, because the way that it looked, it was so deformed. And when you look in the back, everything here was like, on here it looked lopsided, like you're not gonna give me that item. And I asked for a different, I mean, I didn't tell her in that manner, but I asked nicely if she could show me another bag, and she brought this one, and it looked a lot nicer. It's more flushed in the back. It looks more even compared to the other one that looks like it was like chopped. It looked like it was like chopped off on this side or this side. It just didn't look right. And I showed her, it's like, do you know what I mean? Because it doesn't look right. It just doesn't look right. She's like, yeah, I understand. The way that the only thing that I noticed with this one is like, it's a little bit more softer or supple in the back compared to the old one. The look is okay with me. It's not my preference, but I do love this bag. And I actually just got a organizer for it, because I thought if they didn't have the bag, they would probably ask if I wanted a store credit and probably choose a different bag if they didn't have it, or if they couldn't fix it. And I really did not want to, oh my god, I'm getting crazy right now. I just didn't want to let go of the bag, because I did purchase an organizer for the bag, and I haven't even received it, and I didn't want to give up the bag. So I did get this one again, because I really I don't know how much I have to emphasize it, but I really love the bag. So if you guys are hearing like a static, that's actually our video or our camera for Liam's room. So yeah, the zipper is a lot smoother without trying to struggle to, you know, open it with the flap in the front. So this is still made in USA. I think the other one that I found was also made in USA. I still can't believe that they would have something like that in stock. It looked really, I was really in shock. I don't have a picture because I don't want to get in trouble, but it just looked really bad. It just looked really bad. Let's just put it that way. Anyways, inside everything looks great. And what's nice is that, because I know like a lot of people notice these tabs right here, and if they're not even, they don't like it. This one is pretty even, so that's pretty nice. Everything else is nice, and yeah, so it's not a new thing. They did replace it with a new bag, but I don't know, I just wanted to go on camera and share this with you guys. Have you guys had experience? Did you guys have to replace your bag? And if you guys did, do you prefer the new one or the old one? Sorry if I look haggard, it's just because it's been a crazy day. Anyways, do you guys prefer the old version or the new version? I do prefer the older version, but I do like the accessibility of the newer one. But aesthetic wise, I prefer the other one. But the girl was like saying that you're gonna come back for a replacement because of the zipper. So, and I really wanted the bag. I don't want to wait 2 months or more just to get the bag. And I'm not sure. She also said that they could wait till they get a new, like another old version of the mini Palm Springs, but you just never know when you're gonna get one. So I'm not sure. I am happy that I was able to get a new bag today. I went there for 2 things actually. I did ask them to look at the backpack, which they fixed this one, well, by giving me a replacement. It is a lot more supple, like it feels like a small pillow in the back. But yeah, anyways, and then the second item was my 6-ring key holder. The glazing is starting to crack. I don't know if I have a picture, but if I do, I will insert it over here. But it's starting to crack. The only thing that I didn't like about that is that the client advisor for like the one of the client advisors over there was just basically saying that it is normal. I was like, I just got this one not even a year ago. It's like, it is normal, it's the first thing that's gonna wear. I do understand that, but to me, who am I? To me, it felt like the glazing was very dry compared to the glazing that I have on my wallet. I don't know if that's something that I could compare it to, but I didn't bring my wallet to show her, so I didn't want to argue anymore. But I did say that I did have several items fixed before due to glazing, and multiple times it's actually the, you know, it's not because of use, it was because of the actual glazing or how it was made. And but she said that maybe because it's only been less than a year, that they will do it complimentary. If not, if they can't fix it, then they will probably just give me a store credit or a replacement, something like that. But I'll have to wait for their call. I don't know how I feel about it. I didn't know what to expect. I thought that they would either just replace it or something, because I didn't really want, I don't know, I just don't want to leave the store and send it out again for a very long time. I don't live close by a Louis Vuitton store to begin with, and I don't want to keep on going back there. But I had to this time. I don't know how. I know that my video is all over the place just because I can't get my head wrapped around my thoughts right now. I feel a little disappointed, but at the same time I'm happy that they were able to help me out with one of my problems and they're trying to help me out with the other. So oh, the only thing that probably didn't sit right with me, my husband was there and he thought that she was kind of rude. I didn't say anything, is because I was just there last week. I was just there last week for Gressel's bag, and she's like, weren't you just here last week trying to fix something with your bag? I was like, it wasn't actually my bag, it was actually my friend's bag. I was there with her because I was the one who purchased the bag for her. So she's like, yeah, and she's like, I remember you, but just the way that she said it, it was a little rude. And Ricky was actually like, that was a little rude. I'm like, I don't want to argue today. So anyways, that is it, guys. I just wanted to show you guys my new but really not new. It's a brand new bag, but it's not new to me. Backpack. It's a replacement to my 2-month-old Palm Springs Mini. So here it is. I feel like the canvas on here on the reverse is actually a little darker than the older one, and Ricky agrees it's a little darker, but when I was like placing it next to each other, it looks the same, but by itself it just looks darker. But nevertheless, it's still very pretty. I'm still in love with this bag. I really love this bag, guys. I never thought that I would actually I never thought that I would actually love this bag so much, and I really love this bag. I really wanted to have it because I do want to bring it for the weekend, and I don't know, I just love it so much. That is it, guys. If you guys have any questions, please comment down below. If you guys have experienced the same thing, did you guys have the same problem as I did? I know a lot of the problems that people are having with this bag is the zipper, but for me it was actually a stitching over here. Maybe you guys should check your bag, because mine was like literally, it was like about an inch. The stitching, it was very exposed, and it was about an inch long, and it really bothered me, and I was scared that one day it's just gonna fall apart. So anyways, if you guys find this helpful, please don't forget to like this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and also hit that bell button if you guys want to see more of my videos, so you guys won't miss any of it. And I will see you guys later. Alright, guys, bye.